Hello, starting an e-commerce business in 2026 has been transformed compared to the old method which are being used. Now, modern technology is getting sharper, getting set up is rapid, and frankly, anyone can get involved now. So many folks still imagine you have to manually code sites onto item all day, build layouts, or draft copies. But those tedious methods are ancient history. Currently, AI generates your full Shopify storefront featuring top-tier products, polished landing pages, and a ready-to-go business in just a few minutes. Now today, I will guide you through the exact process of launching your dropshipping venture in 2026. To ensure this is simple for newcomers, I'll utilize a professional AI Shopify creator known as Make My Store AI to show you the ropes for 2026. As I said, we are leveraging AI. These specific tools allow you to deploy a Shopify shop nearly instantly using their complementary AI-driven builder. For those unfamiliar with this model, it involves selling goods online while a third party handles shipping, letting you pocket your earnings. That is why we are going to explore precisely how to start your debut online shop from zero using automation to handle this difficult task. Okay, let's dive in.
Okay, this is the free AI Shopify store builder, and this is the homepage. You can see Shopify partner, over 10,000 happy customer uses it, and it's seen on Yahoo, MSN, Business Insider. So this is how this Shopify store builder works. Choose your niche, pick a category you love, and let the AI build your store for you. You start selling instantly, and of course you can see $42 million revenue generated, 12,400 to above store launched, and a good rating of 4.85. So you can see some testimony that the customer went from zero to his first sale in 48 hours. The AI built team look better. So with this probably that you can find winning products by AI. You can find winning products by AI. And beautiful, highly converting store teams, and get them with this Shopify AI store builder. And you also have the opportunity to see ready to sell product pages. Of course, ready to sell product page, you have the opportunity to see it as well. This store builder and a built-in store automation with this Shopify store builder. This platform built by AI in under 60 seconds. You can get a Shopify store. That's what this platform is all about. It makes your life easy. You don't need manual way to build a Shopify store. I see testimonies from people that have used this store builder to build a Shopify store, and they make sales and they succeed in their Shopify business. These are the FAQ. So your free store is one click away. So let's click right here. Let's build our first store. From here, click here. It takes you to this place. You put in your email address as you're signing up. You put in your full name and you put in your passwords. And you choose a password. Okay, it's going. Okay. Yeah. So done, and you create your account. So you pick a niche. Fashion, apparel, pets, electronic design, home and garden, sport and fitness. But you're not sure, just pick a niche. For me, I'm going for the electronic and gadgets niche. So I will move ahead. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, yeah, continue. Yeah. Then you choose a banner. Banner that is something related to your niche. So I'm choosing this. I see it. Do some electronic gadget. Just pick two. Okay, you quickly continue. Okay, so now it leads you there, which you are going to access your Shopify store. Let me read carefully. Okay, see everything that is stated there at your email provided field. Be kind of unfortunate for Shopify. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to follow the instruction that is being given out there. So click access Shopify. Okay, then it takes us here directly. Business start with Shopify. You enter your email. Mention my email right here. Okay, let me type in this email. Okay, then click next. We are trying to build our own Shopify store. Okay, and then it takes you over here, which you put your password as well, and use the same password you use for signing up. You can still use it. Okay, yeah, it takes you to this place immediately where you put your card details, and you can see over here it says start for free, pay for $1. You get a 3-day free trial, and you will bill for 3 months. Okay, you start with $1 for free, you get a 3-day free trial. So I'm putting my details right there. Where it will take place my card details. Yeah, it's gonna take me to that place. Okay. Okay, it's loading. The network is. Okay, we're gonna land on this page right here. That placing our card details. So we have the opportunity to subscribe next, select your plan. You have the opportunity to select your plan. So I'm choosing the $1 plan. Yeah, I'm choosing that. So it takes me here. What would you like to sell? Just click that part, or you can skip it. Let me click that. Okay, and click next. It's taking me to this other place. Yeah, we are all set. Yeah, right now we've created our Shopify store. This is our dashboard to the store. Okay, you can see everything. It's going to make your Shopify store active. So we're going back to that same page to click access Shopify. So we're going to follow the instruction. Okay, we're going to follow the instruction and copy our Shopify store URL from that former page and paste it here. So yeah, I'm typing. So I'm not supposed to type there. I'm supposed to copy the URL from that Shopify store. Okay, yeah, as it is being stated there in that place, that's how I'm going to copy it. I mean, here is what I'm trying to say. I'm supposed to copy it from the browser. Okay, let me get down to the browser. No, not here. Yeah, this place look like the Shopify store URL. No, this is not the place it's shown to us. No. No, it's still watching the video carefully. It says the browser. Let me head to the browser back again. This is where it says browser. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I did it here. Then you click done. Then you have your Shopify discount. So I'm going to follow this instruction again and grab my discount, my $1 3 days discount. So access Shopify plan. I'm going to click it again. Okay, takes me there. I need to do what I'm being requested so that I can grab my plan. Okay, this is it. So you can see it, basic plan. I'm getting it for $1. So, clicking it right now. Where it will take me where it will fully be activated. Okay, you can see it. This is the page of my Shopify. With this is my store. Okay, then I click continue. Okay, following the instruction, activate your AI power store. This is it. I either click install app or I click install on the Shopify page. I'm going to follow what is being told right here. Okay, Okay, I'm going to follow what's been told right here. App. Yeah, this is what I'm going to install. So I'm clicking install as been told. Okay, I'm clicking it. Okay, let me see where it will land us. Okay, verifying your Shopify store. Make your store unique. Customize my store. So we are, you can see step by step we are moving ahead to get our store activated. You can now click customize my store. So our store is being set up. So it's generating generating you an AI team. Okay, yeah, that's what it said. Okay, following what I'm being instructed by the store. Do that. Okay, everything. Adding startup products. The store is ready. Adding winning products and AI automation. Okay, you can click. Let me see. Upgrade my store with winning products. Or you click continue to next. You can see all the steps have been highlighted here. Just read them, follow them. Let me see. Let me click upgrade my store with winning products. Let me see. Click this. Let me see. Okay, something similar. Okay, let me approve the subscription for the app. Let me approve it. Okay, once I've approved it, so we say get started with dropshipping. Start dropshipping. Verify my store. Start dropshipping setup. Okay, with this. Okay, see, that's okay. Yeah, this way it took me to. Okay, with this you are able to see information about how to set up a successful Shopify store. You can see videos on the platform from Sell the Trend. Okay, you can see everything, read. Once it takes you here, follow any instruction you see here on how to set up your store properly and how to find winning products. So you start building your store, start everything, you see videos, tutorials, everything over here for you to have a successful Shopify store with your Shopify AI store. Do that.
Okay, here you go. The ultimate 226 beginners roadmap for launching your Shopify dropshipping business is finally here. If you are truly committed to building an online brand this year, I really suggest you make the most of the insights in this guide. It is a massive opportunity for anyone ready to dive in. Now, let's be real for a second and talk about the financial side. The process we just walked through in the video isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. However, this technology eliminates the massive hurdles and pain that usually prevent people from even trying, such as manual site construction, endless product hunting, page design, and tedious order management of your dropshipping scope. Now you can go from zero to live in single moments, often rather than waiting for weeks or months. So if you are ready to follow this exact path, check the link in the description of this video and pin comment as well to access the free AI powered store builder along with Shopify's special $1 a month deal for your first 3 months. You can literally start right now. Follow these simple steps and have a professional business up and running before you go to sleep today. So with that being said, I wish you best of luck and I'll catch you on the next one.